Alright, so here we are at Home Depot, the second Home Depot in Allen Park, Michigan, right? Alright. Yep, look at all these fans. Some of them have weird blinking lights, I don't know why. Had to go to a different Home Depot because the wheelchairs wouldn't work. I don't know why. I wish I could pull the chains, but they're like way too high for me to reach. Like, look. Yeah, I can't reach them. I'm sorry, you guys, but here's the ceiling fans in the box too. Biggest ceiling fan display ever here. We got some that. We have Glendale, Booker's, all of it. Leaf blade. So yeah. I don't know if you can see this one, but there's the Clarkston 6-bladed fan, Hawkins. They got pretty much.